Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to buy crypto on Skrill step by step. But before that, please keep in mind, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Now, this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. Now, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and continue. Well, buying crypto on Skrill is actually very simple. First, you want to open the Skrill app or go to the Skrill dashboard. The process is basically the same on both mobile and desktop. And once you're logged in, you want to head over to the crypto tab, and which you'll usually find at the bottom of the screen. And before you continue, please keep in mind as well that your Skrill account needs to be verified if you want full crypto features, especially withdrawals to external wallets. Now, inside the crypto section, you'll see a watch list with popular cryptocurrencies. To buy crypto, just tap on buy right over here. Then once you do, select the coin you want. For example, let's go ahead and choose here. Let's see, Bitcoin Cash right at the top. There we go. And from here, just go ahead and make sure to accept the risk warning. All right, after that, oh, as you can see here, it's already asking me to verify my account. But once you have verified your account, just enter the amount you want to spend. You can either type in how much money you want to use, like $5 or $10, or choose how much crypto you want to receive. All right, and once you've entered the amount, just go ahead and simply click continue, review the details, and confirm the purchase. And if everything goes through successfully, your crypto will instantly appear in your Skrill balance. Skrill will also give you the option to set up recurring buy if you want to invest regularly. And basically, that's it. You've successfully bought crypto on Skrill. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.